How to check for the model name or model number on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on About. And here, you'll be able to find the model name of your device and the model number. And that's it. Now if you tap on the model number, it will switches to a different format, which will allow you to tell if your phone is iPhone 16, 16 Pro, or the Pro Max, and what color it is based on the model number. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.